Namaskaram everyone, this is Vaisakh and welcome to the DailyV. Hey everyone, so practices need to be modified. I'll be able to do Buddha Shuddhi sitting, Guru Puja also I'll be able to do. Bhairavi sadhana, Dandam, no, not possible because of the injury on the leg. So it'll be a bit hard. Even Shakti Chalana will be hard. So Shakti Chalana, there's a modification which I'll be able to do. And Shampoo also sitting. So I think Devi Dandam and all I'll be doing visualizing, and a lot of practices will be visualization. But as best as possible, that's the way to go, is what I'm doing. This is the first time I'm, falling on an injury where I'm not able to do practices. Awesome. Going to hospital to get this dressed up and maybe get injection on my butt. Oh no, injection. No dressing, only injection on my ass. It is paining. They just on the butt, injection on the butt. They just cleaned the wounds and they said I need to clean it regularly. Gave me antibiotics and a painkiller. But no painkiller. Okay, I have sliced chapati because fingers are injured, and antibiotic and painkiller. Just now Dad has bought coconut biscuit. I don't know, yeah. Dad, you are so rich that you don't know the cost. You don't check the cost or what? I have started eating snacks because of injury. Body needs to heal, so snack time is essential. Because of antibiotics. I forgot I'm taking antibiotics. That is why snacks. Padampuri is best for antibiotics. Okay everyone, homemade padampuri with a spoon. Only do this if you are injured. Otherwise, eat with the hand only. Now I'll show you my cutlery skills. I know to eat with cutlery. Oh, hot. Oh, hot. Oh, very hot but very tasty. Come on. Okay, so today's DailyV is coming out very late. I was just watching Master. It is on Amazon Prime, so I was just watching it with my dad. Awesome movie. Guys, check it out. It's there in Telugu, Tamil and Malayalam and with English subtitles. So today I did my sadhana. A lot of modifications, but sadhana needs to happen. Vairavi sadhana, I'm not able to keep the 2 times meal because antibiotics are there and food is necessary. So I'm trying my best to do it like whatever possible, and that's how it is going. So just wanted to update you guys. So from now on, DailyV will become Daily H because I'll be at home for some time. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Definitely check out the video with Sujitaka I have made. It's awesome, really good. A lot of Devi details, Devi Yantra, because beautiful singing. So please check it out. Peace out.